este equipo del Jaguar, con esta victoria de Nyck Cassidy, que estaba en los planes de Nyck seguramente, como nos dijo antes de la competencia. Sin embargo, todo podía pasar en esta primera carrera del fin de semana aquí en Londres, con el pitbull, que es muy predecible, más todavía de lo que ya la ave de FIA Fórmula E es. En definitiva, una victoria de Nyck Cassidy con un podio que se completó con Nyck de Vries y con Pascal Wehrlein. También la sorpresa de tener a Mahindra en este podio increíble. Vamos a ver qué dijeron los protagonistas de este primer London E-Prix del fin de semana.
This is one of the most special wins of my career. It's unbelievable. The circumstances, the day. I've been, to be honest, a little bit anxious and a little bit emotional so far this weekend. And however, in the race car, I feel like my performance has been really good. And if anything, I'm just thankful that the race could go our way and we could show our performance today.
Family was here too?
Yeah, family's here. Obviously, family in life is really nice and important to have around. Coming from New Zealand, it's not super easy for them to be at many races. But at the same time, alongside my family is my second family, which is the race team. They have supported me a lot. They've listened to me, they've worked with me, they've worked for me, but they've also given me the opportunity to show what I can do, and that's where moments like today become really special.
Yeah, I think we are very pleased with another podium today. We executed well. We were strong during the attack mode, but Cassidy and Jaguar were a little bit stronger than us, and I think they deserved to win. They had 2 more attack modes to take at the end, and yeah, they were just a little bit stronger than us, but I felt like we had good pace, executed a strong qualifying and a good day, so happy with another podium.
Amazing, congratulations. Can you just give us a quick review of this podium yet again and what it means for you and for the team?
Yeah, honestly, it's a great day for us. Probably the most happy we can be about the third place because, this coming to this weekend, there was only one target, and that is to win the team's championship and the manufacturer championship. And with today 15 points, and I think fastest lap we got 16 points, which is quite a bit more than what Nissan and McLaren got in the manufacturer. So yeah, we should be happy with that. Even though I tried hard to achieve more than a third place, but yeah, it shouldn't be today. Thank you.